So I'm gonna try to help you with something that I was having an issue with my mic volume, where it sounded low, where people couldn't hear me, or when I'm streaming, it was low in my console stream, where I stream to Twitch. I was sounding really low, and I had the volume turned up, and was wondering what was going on. So this helped me, and hopefully it will help you. I found this on a video, and I figured that I would share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your settings. You will go to the General tab, go over to Volume and Audio Output. Where this says Change Volume with Your Voice By, mine was on 3 steps when it sounded low. I went up to 5 steps, it helped a little bit, and ended up going all the way up because I really want to be heard in my streams, and I want to be louder than the game. So I'm on 10 steps. You can adjust it to however you like, whatever works best for you. But I hope this video helped you, and if it did, drop a like, share, subscribe, and stay posted. Hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I will be making videos on a lot of console streaming type videos on how to make your streams look and sound better. Any tips and tricks on console streaming. So stay tuned, guys, and thank you. Have a wonderful day or night where you live, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks.